G'day guys, Luke here. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, instead of Bailey next to me, I've got my good friend here, Carissa, who's loving the little diamond python that Bailey just flipped. Now Bailey decided to be the dedicated cameraman for this video. Now diamond pythons, they tend to grow anywhere between 1.5 to 3 metres in length, averaging about 2 metres. These guys are often found through the Victorian ranges up to New South Wales, normally up to Port Macquarie is when you stop finding them, up in the northern range. These guys will mostly feed on small reptiles as well as mammals. So these guys will eat anything from like a little gecko all the way up to a flying fox. Now these guys have a wide range of colours. So normally they can be more of this black colour with the more nice golden coloration to the white coloration with the spotting. When they're babies, often this darker colour to blend in with the rock work in the environment. This one's not too happy at the moment. It's starting to pee on Carissa, which is not very nice. You okay, buddy? They're probably one of the more cold tolerant species of pythons found in the world. These guys have anywhere between 20 to 40 eggs, and since they're a very common species in their range, they are least concern. A very popular first time python in the hobby. So a lot of people do favour the diamond pythons when they're looking at getting their first snake. But yeah, a beautiful little snake. So we'll get some nice photos of this little guy and we'll let him go in underneath his rock where Bailey found him. Right, Bailey, he's got his little diamond python. He'll pop him back underneath the rock he was under. There he goes. Happy days. That's snake number 5 for our adventure.